Hey there, I'm Jan from Lumnio, and I'm back with another quick Lumnio lesson. In the last two lessons, we explored how the equipment and sites can help you manage your organization. In this one, we'll dive deeper to learn more about equipment types and equipment. We'll learn how to create and set up equipment types, how to assign content, and we'll create and customize the equipment. So, let's get started. We start on the equipment types page. Here you can see the equipment types of our team. I've already added 2 car models for Mark's car rental business. Let's add another one for our site in Prague that we created in the last video. Let's click the Add button and fill out the form. We'll be adding a Skoda Octavia. When we create the new type, the equipment type page opens. Here we can customize the equipment type even further. Let's open the Parameters tab. Here you can add some parameters that can be customized with each instance of the equipment. We'll add the color, registration date, registration number, and if the car has a tow hitch. You can fill in a default value or leave the fields blank. Next up is the Equipment tab. It's empty now, but that's because we haven't created any instances of the equipment yet. Next, we have the Content tab. You can add content to the equipment type here. Anything you add will be added to each instance of this type, and you can manage it all from here. So let's add a work instruction file and a safety manual. Great. Now we have the type set up and we can start creating each individual car in Mark's fleet. Let's switch to the equipment page. We already have some cars in Berlin and Milan, so let's add more to Prague. Click the new equipment button and choose the site and the equipment type. In our case, the Skoda Octavia. We'll pick a name and fill out the serial number, in our case, the VIN. We could also fill out the location within the site, but since we're talking about cars, it's hard to say where it's parked. But this might be useful for those of you who have some machines that don't move. Let's create the car and take a look at its page. I'll add a tag and then we'll switch to the Parameters tab, where we need to fill out the custom parameters. Our new Skoda is black and was registered in March. I'll also fill out the license plate and add a tow hitch. If we switch to the Content tab, we can also add some equipment-specific content. For example, if this car has a tow hitch, we can add instructions about its deployment. On the next tab, we can add tasks like scheduled maintenance. But more on that in another video. So let's fast forward a little. As you can see, we added a little fleet of Skodas to our Prague site. And that's everything. We created a new equipment type, added some content to it, and then created multiple instances of that equipment. I hope you enjoyed this little series about sites and equipment. We have more Lumnio lessons on our channel, so don't forget to check them out so you can become a true Lumnio professional. Thanks for watching!